Hi everybody, it's me, the Fix-It Guru. I'm going to show you what to do if your spark arrestor screen's clogged up with carbon, how to get it off of there. These Stihl weed eaters and blowers, they got these spark arrestor screens on the muffler, and if they get caked up with carbon and stuff, your equipment just won't run right. So first of all, you need one of these here. This is called a star wrench, I believe. You just need a small one. And let me tilt the camera down and I'll show you what I'm going to do here. Hold on. Oh, I'm not strong enough. See if that's good. Okay. I look smaller down here, don't I? Well, that don't matter. Well, anyway, you got a little hole here. You got a little screw here. And you take that screw out. Just like this. Don't lose the screw because it'd be hard to get the screen back in. Just like that. Now, I need me some needle nose pliers so I can get that out easy, because my fingers just don't have fingernails anymore. I chewed them all off. Found them. They were hidden in my toolbox. Okay. I'm going to reach down here and grab this screen. I don't know if you folks at home can see that, but this is called a spark arrestor screen. It's not too bad, but we're going to use a propane torch and we're going to blow off the carbon and make it all better. That's what we're going to do. Hold on. I'm back with you again. I got my torch. Got to get up those cigars. Anyway, there's my screen. I'm going to hold it with a pair of needle nose pliers because it gets mighty hot on the fingers. So we open up the, I hear it sizzling. Now we push the red button because this one has auto start. I hear it. And we're going to heat that sucker up. Just like that. I can see that carbon melting right off of there. And that's really a good thing. I'm going to have this thing sparkling clean. Just you wait and see. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see the red flame? It's heating up quite nice. Give me a few more minutes with this and we'll put it back in and we'll start it up and see if it works. Okay, I got it. Remember to turn off your propane torch when you're done. It's going to take a few seconds for this screen to cool before I can put it in there. I might burn my pinkies off, and I don't want to do that. Not today. Maybe tomorrow, but not today. It's a little shadowy out here. I don't know how well you can see. But anyway, I don't know. I got the screen back in. Now I got to put this little screw back in. And then tighten it down and we'll start it up and see if it works. Got my star wrench. And let's see if it'll go in. It's a working, folks. It's a work in progress. I've done this before. She's in there tight, snug and tight. Let's go see if we can find us some weeds to knock down. This is the fun part. Let's see if we can get this thing started. let's get this party started. I got my eye protection and my ear protection. That's pretty crucial here. Sometimes when the weather's just right and we're having a skip in the air, I can pick up Neptune with this thing. All right, let's start it up. Gots to choke it. I hear it running. I don't know if you can see the weeds or not. But I'm gonna try to whack them. Let's see if it works better. I'll crunch down so you can see better. It worked awfully good. Okay, I guess that's the end of this video. I'm gonna see if I can find somewhere to go surfing now because I'm all hot. So yeah, that weed eater works. That's an FS131R. That's one of the biggest ones they make. It's like got like a 36cc engine in it. That's chainsaw power there, folks. Chainsaw power. See ya. Hope you come around for my next video and try to watch it the best that you can. You may learn something, you may not, I don't know. I just try, that's all I can do. Keep on breathing, folks. It makes all the difference. See ya. You wouldn't want to be me. And nor would I want to be me either, but I have no choice. See ya. Bye-bye.